In this video I'm going to show you how to clean an ink cartridge that is not working properly. Sometimes it happens if you are not using your printer regularly, the ink gets dried up at the print heads and it's not going to print anything. Now to unclog it, you can use your smartphone and do the auto cleaning, but some printers don't have that option and there we have to do it manually. Now first step is to take your ink cartridge and also take a kitchen tissue or any other tissue, spray distilled water or isopropyl alcohol on it. Now you have to go to the print head of the printer and you just have to clean it from here. While you cleaning, you will see the ink starts to show up and this will make your printer to work. The ink cartridge will start to work slowly. Keep repeating it and just make sure this portion is completely clean, and then it will start the ink system. Here we can see it has started and now we can start using this ink cartridge. Thanks for watching.